The Acura Integra is a legendary nameplate that has long been associated with precision engineering, sharp handling, and a thrilling driving experience. First introduced in the 1980s, the Integra quickly became a favorite among driving enthusiasts, known for its sporty performance and reliable Honda-based platform. Over the years, the Integra has built a reputation for blending performance with everyday usability, making it a versatile choice for drivers seeking both excitement and practicality. After a hiatus, Acura revived the Integra, bringing back its signature blend of style, power, and agility, appealing to a new generation of car enthusiasts. Introducing the 2025 Acura Integra Coupe, where iconic heritage meets modern performance. Sleek, sporty, and meticulously engineered, this is the next evolution of a legend. The 2025 Integra Coupe strikes a bold pose with its dynamic exterior design. Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille, flanked by jewel-eye LED headlights, gives it a modern and aggressive look. From the side, the sleek, coupe-like profile flows effortlessly from front to rear, accentuated by sharp body lines and 19-inch alloy wheels. The low athletic stance hints at the performance waiting beneath. At the rear, sculpted LED taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and an integrated rear spoiler complete the look, giving the Integra a confident and refined presence. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit designed to immerse the driver in the experience. The 2025 Integra's interior blends luxury with performance, featuring premium materials like leather and brushed aluminum. Sport seats with contrast stitching provide exceptional comfort and lateral support, making long drives or tight corners equally enjoyable. The Integra's advanced technology keeps you connected and in control. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging keep everything at your fingertips while maintaining a clean and minimalistic look. Despite its sporty coupe design, the Integra offers impressive rear seat space, allowing passengers to enjoy the same level of comfort and refinement. With meticulous attention to detail, every aspect of the interior feels crafted for both driver and passenger. Under the hood of the 2025 Integra Coupe lies a high-performance 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 320 horsepower and thrilling acceleration. This powertrain, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, offers an exhilarating driving experience that puts you in control of every rev. With the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, the Integra's acceleration is as sharp as its handling. Acura's legendary precision-crafted performance shines through in every drive. The Integra's adaptive suspension and precision steering ensure a smooth, responsive ride whether you're carving corners on a mountain road or navigating city streets. With the perfect balance of power and agility, it's a performance coupe for every situation. Performance, style, legacy. The 2025 Acura Integra Coupe is more than a car. It's the return of an icon, redefined for the modern driver.